very important topic, that is the image. What is the image? Everybody know about the image. Image means प्रतिबिंब, photo, जैसा कि हम लोग समझते हैं. What is the image? The light rays coming from an object after reflection, they will meet that point or appear to meet that point. This point is called the image of that object. It means that image is formed by the process of reflection. So what is the image? The light rays coming from an object after reflection. After reflection, they will meet that point or appear to meet that point, this point is called the image of that object. That is very important. If any light rays is coming from any source of object, and these light rays after reflection, they will meet that point or appear to meet. Appear to meet means that imaginary meeting. It is not true intersecting of the reflected ray, and this point is called the image of that object. Now, types of object, types of image. Types of image. Image are of two types. Image are of two types. That is very important topic. Two types. One is virtual image, and second one is the real image. Now I will discuss about the real image and the virtual image with a call. I will start that. What is the real image? Real image. And what is the virtual image? Virtual image. It is very important question for your board examination, that what is the difference between the real image and virtual image? What is the real image? Those image which is formed by true intersecting of reflected ray is called real image. Now, what is the virtual image? Those image which is formed by imaginary meeting of reflecting rays is called virtual image. That is very important definition, virtual image. Now, second point is very important. The real image always formed inverted. The real image always form inverted, मतलब उल्टा बनती है हमेशा. Always form inverted. And virtual image always form upright. Always form upright means सीधा बनता है. Third point is very important. The real image can be obtained on the screen. On the screen means पर्दे पर प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. Third point of virtual image, the virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. That is a very important and topic, and it is very important for your board examination that what is difference between the real image and virtual image. I have told that those image which is formed by the true intersecting of reflected ray is called the real image, and those image which is formed by imaginary meeting of reflecting rays is called the virtual image. The real image always formed inverted and virtual image always formed upright, and the real image can be obtained on the screen and the virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. And this point is please in your mind that real image is always formed inverted and virtual image is always formed upright, and it is obtained on the screen and it cannot be obtained on the screen. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मिरर. सभी बच्चों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसका नोट्स बनाएंगे, जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन कराए हैं उसको सॉल्व करेंगे, और आपके पास जो भी बुक्स होगी वो रिफ्लेक्शन से रिलेटेड जिसमें एंगल निकालना होगा उन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर आपको कोई बात समझ में नहीं आई, कोई टॉपिक में कंफ्यूजन है, तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके कमेंट कर सकते हैं और आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं.